Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to summarize chapters and infographics in Canva. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to summarize chapters as infographics in Canva, all you can do is simply go to Canva. Now to summarize your chapters as infographics, you need to simply use the platform's templates and drag and drop features to visually represent key information. The process involves planning your content, choosing a suitable template, and using graphic elements to tell a story. So you need to first of all plan and summarize your content. You need to identify your key points, organize your logics, and keep it concise. Then you can choose a template as per your liking and then add your text. You can use the elements feature to add different elements, manage your images and colors, and finalize and download your document or share it with your team. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.